Okay, guys, continuing our conversation about mechanisms, specifically elimination, let's talk about the E1 mechanism today. As far as the end results go, the E1 is going to be very similar to the E2. They just differ in the steps leading up to the final alkenes. So our basic requirements are, again, a base. We'll use water today. A leaving group, usually a halogen, and beta hydrogens that are anti-paraplanar to the leaving group. However, with E1, we're going to use a weak base. This just means it has a formal charge of 0 or neutral. So water, methanol, ethanol, NH3, anything like that. With the E1 mechanism, it happens in several steps versus a concerted process like we saw with SN2 or E2. The first step is always going to be the loss of our leaving group. This will always create a carbocation on top of the alpha carbon. Be on the lookout for any kind of rearrangement that can occur, which will result in a more stable carbocation. For more information on carbocations, stability, rearrangements, go check out orgogoat.com for the full-length video on those topics. Secondly, our base is going to then come along and steal a beta hydrogen, because bases love to grab hydrogens, that's what they do. The leftover lone pair, which we see here, which was the covalent bond between carbon number 1 and the proton, is just going to kind of collapse towards that carbocation over on carbon 2. And this is going to create a double bond. So here you can see the pi bond, and those 2 blue electrons were the C to H bond over here in the previous step. We will usually observe 2 products, with our more substituted alkene being our Zaitsev product, and our less substituted alkene being our Hoffman product. If you found this video helpful but need a little more practice or explanation, you can find the full-length version over at orgogoat.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help our videos find more students like you, and please tell a friend. And if you're interested in private tutoring, or if you want to see a concept explained that you don't see on our YouTube page, shoot me an email at orgogoat@yahoo.com.